Here we have a point and a slope for a line, and we're supposed to write an equation for that line. When you have a problem like this, there is a formula that comes in pretty handy. It's called the point-slope form. And the formula for that is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And I'll explain what all these little pieces are. The regular x and the y are just x and y, like you would normally have in an equation for a line. M is the slope. And your x1 and y1, those are the coordinates of the point that the line passes through. And all you really have to do is plug this stuff in and then maybe do a little bit of simplifying and solving. So let's start here. We know that the slope is -3, so that's going to go in for m. So I'm going to put -3 there. And then we have x minus x1. Well, x1 is this x coordinate of the point. So we have x minus a -1. And over here, we have y minus y1, so that's y minus 3. All right, we've got all our numbers plugged in. All we have to do is some simplifying and solving. So x minus a -1 is actually x plus 1. And then we've got our y minus 3. Let's go ahead and distribute the -3. -3 times x is -3x. -3 times 1 is -3. And then over here we have y minus 3. To put this in y equals mx plus b form, we just need to add 3 to both sides. And we get y over here. And we get -3x. And that's plus 0, so we don't even have to write that. And our equation is y equals -3x.